Let me ask you something. Why do some people make money while others stay stuck no matter how much they earn? Same world, same opportunities, completely. Meet Jake, not a guru, not a guy flexing cars, just someone who asked a simple question most people avoid. Where is my money actually going? And once he started paying attention, everything changed. Because the truth is, most people don't have a money problem. They have a system problem. They earn, they spend, and they repeat with no plan, no awareness, no control. And that's exactly why this channel exists, to break that cycle. Because here, we don't do fake motivation, we don't sell dreams, and we definitely don't promise overnight success. We focus on what actually works in real life. You'll learn how money really moves, why people stay broke without even realizing it, the habits that quietly build wealth, the mistakes that slowly destroy your finances, and the mindset shifts that change everything. Because making money is not the hard part. Keeping it, growing it, and using it the right way. That's where most people fail. And Jake figured something out. It's not about working harder or earning more. It's about playing the game differently, thinking differently, acting smarter, and building real financial freedom without the noise, without the hype, just clarity. So if you're tired of feeling behind, if you make money but still feel broke, or if you just want to finally understand how this whole system actually works, then you're in the right place. This is not just a channel, this is a reset. Welcome to Jake Get Rich.